Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again, and now we are moving to level 4. In level 4 we want to do the coding for other income. So let me just take you to where we are doing our Python code. So far we've done up to level 3. So now you want to do level 4. And level 4 is about other income. So let me just try to comment this out. Then indirect expenses will comment out. So when you come to level 4 here, we are saying indirect income, which is other income, is equal to P&L data, then in square bracket P&L data, and then category is equal to indirect income. So in short, we are trying to get a subset of data where that subset of data will just be indirect income or other income. So in this next line of code, we are saying direct income is equal to indirect income dot group by category and ledger, and then here we are trying to sum the numerical columns, and then we are trying also to reset the index. So before we move to total indirect income, let me try to print. Let me print indirect income, see what we have. Indirect underscore income. Then I will run this code. So we are still using period 1, which is January, and then the financial year in review is 2017. So this is what we have as indirect income. So this has been read from our Excel workbook. We have all the columns from our YTD actual, YTD budget, period last year, YTD last year, and total last year. So down here we are seeing that indirect income is equal to indirect income dot group by category and ledger. So let's see what we have as after grouping and resetting the index. We are printing again indirect underscore income. Period is 1. Financial year still 2017. So this is what we have as indirect income. When you check on this Excel workbook, direct income is here. These are the values. Okay. So period last year is 00. There are no values for period last year. And then now let's move to total indirect income. So now we want to get the total indirect income. So we are saying that indirect income dot log in square brackets indirect income is equal to indirect income. Then we are using the double square brackets. You can see what we have here, and then we are summing the numerical columns, of which we have period actual, We have period actual, we have period budget, we have YTD actual, YTD budget, period last year, YTD last year and total last year. So we are summing all these numerical columns. The assumption is that supposing we had various other income as opposed to what we have here, that's just one row of data sets. Suppose we had various categories or various rows for other income. So this is what we'll do to get the total of those different values of other income. So down here again, we are saying that other income is equal to indirect income dot replace. So we are trying to replace the null values with the indirect income as a text. Then we are also trying to reset the index as well. So again, down here we are saying indirect income is equal to indirect income dot tail dot drop. Then we are dropping the index after resetting it up here. So we are picking the tail row or the last row within that data frame. Apparently we just have one row, which is where we have the value of 69.71, but supposing we had various other income or various sources of indirect income, we'll have quite a number of rows, but after summing the values, we'll just pick the row of the sum total of the indirect income. So down here we are saying again, so just forget about this. Let me delete this. We are saying now level 4 is equal to pd.concat level 3 with the indirect income. So we are trying to add additional row below the level 3 data frame. So after adding that additional row, we'll call that level 4. So the additional row here is just the indirect income. So now let's try to print level 4. We see what we have as sales up to indirect income. So this, the period number is still 1. The financial year in review is 2017. So now this is what we have as level 4 data frame. So now we have our sales up to indirect income. We're starting with sales volume, sales, gross margin, direct expenses, net margin, then indirect income. So that is up to level 4. When you check level 4, the index has not been reset down here. But we'll reset the index when we come to level 5. So I want us to again stop at this moment. When we come back again, we'll do level 4. So thanks again for watching, and I still urge those who have not subscribed, please do, so that we can learn together. And then if you have a different way of how we can best do our code for this P&L, please share your comments, please advise. So that's the way we learn, and we'll strengthen our skills in Python code using pandas and numpys. So let's stop at that, and when we come back, we'll be doing our indirect expenses for level 5. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.